Hello, welcome to Robertson Gons High School and College online school. This is Roshan Jahan, assistant teacher English. Dear student, hoping you are all right. Okay. Today I am going to take a practice session on punctuation marks. You noted that my previous class was on punctuation marks and you have learned enough from this class, right? Okay. In the previous class, I have told you that what is punctuation and why do we need or why do we practice punctuation mark and what is the importance of punctuation marks in our grammar, both English or Bengali, right? Okay. You know that we have discussed 6 items of punctuation and we have discussed about 2 categories of punctuation mark belongs to terminal and pause. And today I would like to give you some exercise and you have to notice on this practicing session, okay? And you have to practice yourself, okay? If you are ready, I will start my class, right? Okay. Our title is practice session on punctuation mark, okay? Okay, at the very first, I am writing some example from terminal punctuation and we will discussing about the pause, the stoppage about this item, right? Okay. First of all, Ruma is a good student. She goes to school every day. Second example, Bangladesh is our motherland. I love it very much. Okay. Ruma is a good student. She goes to school every day. Is there any missing of punctuation mark? Yes. Ruma is a good student. Here we put full stop. Okay. She goes to school every day. Here we put full stop or period. Because Ruma is a good student, you know, it's an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. She goes to school every day, as well as it is a assertive sentence and it gives us information about Ruma. Okay, so we use here full stop, right? Okay. Then come on that second. Bangladesh is our motherland. I love it very much. Is there any missing of punctuation mark? Yes. Bangladesh is our motherland. This is independent sentence and so we use here full stop. I love it very much. This is the another statement. And here you notice that I. This is wrong. because after period or after using full stop, we have to write the letter in a capital letter. Okay, keep it in mind. So I love it very much. Okay. Number 3. Give me a book. I have no book just now. Okay, give me book. I have no book just now. Here the missing punctuation, give me a book. It is imperative sentence and it belongs to what? Belongs to period or full stop. I have no book just now. This is another statement. I have no book just now. Okay. Then the example 4. May you live long. May you live long. Stay blessed. Okay. Okay. Is there any missing of punctuation mark? Yes, of course. May you live long. Here we put full stop because in the previous class I told you that period or full stop belong to this category of sentence: declarative, imperative, and optative. Right? Okay. Established. This is another statement. Established. So here we write it capital letter and then put the full stop. Okay, clear? Okay, these all are belong to terminal punctuation. Okay, now we go to another items of punctuation which are called pauses. Which are called pauses. Okay, and you know better than which sorts of punctuation, which sorts of sentence or which sorts of punctuation mark belong to this sentence. At the very first, I am writing an example. What do you want? Where are you going? Okay, dear learner, I think you guess what kind of sentence these both are. These are question or interrogative sentence, and you know better that whose punctuation mark we can use there. Okay, here we use the question mark. Okay, and you know better then after the question mark and after the full stop and after the exclamation mark we need not use any punctuation mark, and generally or especially the first letter become the capital letter. Okay, what do you want? Where are you going? Okay, then another example. What a nice dress. Okay, what a nice dress. What a beautiful picture is. Okay. I think that you can guess this type of sentence. This is absolutely exclamatory sentence, because here here we express, or here what a nice dress, and I think that here you absolutely express your emotion, your liking, that you like the dress, and in this case we have to use here punctuation mark. This is called exclamation mark, right? Okay. What a beautiful picture it is. Okay. Here we express our emotion, we express our feelings. So this kinds of sentences exclamation marks, right? Okay, dear student, I think that you can guess this clearly. Okay, these are belong to terminal punctuation, which we have learned our previous class. Now let us go to the category of pauses. At the very first, I would like to write I want to buy book, pen, bag, cake and sweet. Okay, dear student, here I have written I want to buy book, pen, bag, cake and sweet. Okay, you can guess that this sentence belong some items of list. Okay, so you know that when we express or when we tell some items of list, then we have to put the punctuation mark, comma, right? I want to buy book, pen, bag, and here we need not use any punctuation mark or comma, okay, because and here we put and. Okay, sir, may I come? Okay, okay, sir, give me some homework. Sir, you know that when we are addressing something, some person, then we use comma. Addressing someone, we use comma, right? Okay. Okay, number 3. Yes, I am well. Yes, no, I will not go there. Okay, dear student, here I have written yes and no, and this is introductory word. So we have told you that when we use introductory word, then we use comma. Okay? Okay, dear student, I can guess that you have already understood all these punctuation mark, comma. Then we come to semicolon. Then we come to semicolon. Okay, I'm writing an example. Mother wanted her to be a doctor. Okay. However, she had another plan. Okay, dear student. Is there any missing punctuation? Yes? Yes, absolutely. Right. Mother wanted her to be a doctor. However, she had another plan. Okay, here we have to put semicolon. Okay, because we have to use, or we have to put semicolon when two sentences are integrated one is other, and we have to make the two sentences together, and then in this case we have to use, or we have to put semicolon. Clear? I have a examination tomorrow. I will not go out. Okay. Here is the missing punctuation. The missing punctuation is semicolon, because I have examination tomorrow. I will not go out. These two sentences are together and make a one sentence. Okay, dear student, I think that you have already guessed it clearly, and for this reason I give you a lot of thanks. Then we come to another punctuation mark, clone. Okay. We want to visit some city of Bangladesh. Rangpur, Dhaka, Rajshahi. Okay. We want to visit some city of Bangladesh, Rangpur, Dhaka, Rajshahi. Here you notice that this sentence also give us another information about the first sentence. we want to visit some city of Bangladesh, and here we put colon Rangpur, Dhaka, Rajshahi, and then put the full stop, right? The another example for your betterment, I am writing another example. The students of Robertson Gans High School and college are involving music, dance, playing. Okay, the students of Robertson Gans High School and college are involving arts. Yes, here we can see that the students of Robertson Gans High School and college have the potentiality because they are involving arts, something co-curriculum activities. And here shows another thing, or express some extraordinary expression, or another information. Music, okay, dance, playing football. Here involving arts. Here we put colon because it gives us, it shows, or it tells us extra information about the students. Okay, right. Okay, dear student, I think that you have enjoyed this practice session nicely, and I think that you have to continue your study every time, and you have to practice this punctuation mark, because in my previous class I have to told you that without punctuation we cannot write, or we cannot speak our language, both Bengali or English, properly and grammatically. And generally we always make mistake in that case on using the punctuation mark. Okay, dear student, and here I want to add something, that when you in written English or in written Bengali, you have to put this punctuation mark, and when you in spoken English or Bengali, you have to take pause, and you should have to know the duration of this punctuation mark. Otherwise, you will not clear in that case. Okay, so at the very first, full stop, where we have to stay for 1 second. Okay, suppose I am a student. I am a student. Here you have to take the duration time is 1 second. Okay, next, comma. Here we also take 1 second. I like bread, egg. I like bread, egg. 1 second. Next, we come to clone. Here we have to give the time, or the time space that's double then comma. Okay. Suppose my mother wanted to stay me. However, I did not stay. My mother wanted to stay me. Here I put semicolon. However, I did not stay. Here I take the time or the duration of time, then comma. Okay, dear student. Now, in the case of interrogation mark, what is your name? This is interrogation mark and this is direct question. Okay, and here we have to take a pause for 1 second. Now, what a nice picture it is. This is exclamation statement, exclamation mark, and here we have to take only 1 second. Clear? Then we go to, in case of semicolon, I previously wrote we wanted to visit the city of our country, Rangpur, Dhaka, etc. Okay, dear student, notice here that we wanted to visit the city of our country, Rangpur, Dhaka. Here we have to take a breath for only 1 second. Dear student, I think that you enjoyed the practice session of punctuation mark very nicely and amusingly, and I hope that you have to practice it and continuous process, and you have to practice it continuously. Okay. I'm going to close my session for today, and until the next class, stay fine and stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.